Do you want to know how you can deposit money on Unibet? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can deposit money on Unibet. Go ahead and open unibet.co.uk on any browser you have and then log into your account. After you log into your account, go ahead and click deposit and make sure that you have verified your account. Otherwise, this will pop up. Oops, you can see that this has popped up. Now what you need to do is verify your account. So go ahead and go to account and then click on account details, which is over here, and go to verify account. After that, go ahead and add your proof of identity such as your passport, national identity card or driving license. And then after that, the verification process will be complete. Go back to deposit and a lot of banks, cryptocurrencies and online transaction sites will be available. You can go ahead and choose from them, write down your credentials, log into your account, and then you can deposit to your Unibet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.